Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amex for redeeming points online. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the American Express website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. If you already have an account, enter your user ID and password. If you do not have an account, find the Enroll or Register option. Click on Enroll or Register to begin the account creation process. You will now need to provide your personal information. Fill in the requested details, including your first name, last name, and social security number. Next, enter your American Express card number. Choose your date of birth and any other required information. After filling in all the necessary fields, click the Continue button. Follow the prompts to complete your account registration. You might receive a verification email to confirm your identity. Open your email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the American Express homepage and click the Login button again. Enter your user ID and password once more. Click Login to access your account. Now, navigate to the Rewards or Points section of your account. Here, you can view the available points for redemption. Browse through the redemption options available. Select the options that interest you and follow the prompts to redeem your points. Once you have made your selections, confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation of your redemption via email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.